And then we will start with class 7.ipynb. Click on enter and click on go rent of height. So let me click on shift enter and then we are talking about pandas library today. So import pandas as query. And now, so today we are going to making the manipulation of a particular data set. So let me click on the Microsoft Edge and now we have to open Titanic CSV download. So what I have to do, yeah, I have a download option. So what I have to do, Control C, and now I want to paste it in your WhatsApp. And now let me download this file. See, do you want to save this Titanic.csv? Save as classes, come to and then we can save it. As Titanic.csv. And then what we have to do, we have to read that particular CSV. Like read underscore CSV of Titanic.csv. And now click on Shift Enter. See, we are getting this passenger ID. See, this is the dummy dataset of Titanic ship passengers that who are like survived, like who will be dead will be come as a zero, and who is survived will be counted as a one. So we have all the things. We have the name, gender, age, like a ticket, the fare, cabin, all the things. So let me give df equals to, and now let me ask df. Now it's good. Now I want to get df dot shape. How many rows we have? Can anybody say? 891 rows and 12 columns. So that, yeah, that's what we'll be getting df dot shape. So we are getting the column, the row size and the column size. And now what I have to do, df dot head. What will be doing with the head? I'll be getting top five rows. The index will be starting from the zero and we'll be getting up to five. So if I give 10 here, then what are the things we will be getting? I'm getting up to the 10. So more than five, if I want to give up to 30, we can able to give 30. DF of 30, we can give top 30 rows. And now if I give DF dot tail of 30, I'll be getting lost 30 records. 861 to 891, I think. 890. Okay, 890. Up to 890 I am getting. So lost 30 records. So we can actually call df dot tell. That's enough. I'm getting df dot tell. And now what I want to do is df dot uh describe. Describe what it will be doing. It will be getting count how many rows in the passenger ID. Uh, and in age only 714 are the perfect. So because some of having some null values, that's why 714 is getting. I'm getting the mean. Mean means see like 860, 891 by 2. Like so that's what we'll be getting the average 446. And what 50 percentage also we are getting 446 only. And what 25 percentage means 891 by 4. We'll be getting 223. So I'm getting all the things. Like what will be the standard deviation, what will be the count, all the things. And now I want to ask df.info. df.info. The info will be getting how many values are perfect. So here 891 are perfect, 891 are perfect, everything is perfect. But in age, I'm getting only 714 are the perfect. And remaining all having some null values. And also in cabin, we are having 204 the perfect rows. And in embark, we are getting 889 rows because two columns are missing. Two rows having null values. So how should I know like how many null values are there? So if I have the 891 minus 714 minus 714, how much? 177 rows are the empty rows in age. In age. And in here, cabin 204, right? 204. So what I will be getting? 687. Now we are perfect. And now, see, I want to know how many rows are empty. If I give 714, 714 in the age, so what should I'll be getting? 177, right? df dot each null dot sum. So if I run this, so I'm getting see 177, 177 in age, we are having the null values. We are having 687 as null values. But how should we know? Can we check with this df dot height of 30? In this 30, we are having some null values. In the age, we are having see NaN. In the Python, the null values should be compared as NaN, NaN. So and then his name is James. In the James, we are getting NaN, null value. And also where in the Charles, we are getting the null value, NaN. So we'll be getting 17 and 5. So let me compare these things. So we need to fill up the average value with this null values. So what I have to do, so let me get this 1 second. So what I need to do, I want to fill up this with the average value, right? So df of, I want to get only age. What are the ages I should want to see? I'm getting the age, but I want to get the average value for this. So can you say what will be the average value mean? So if I ask this, I'm getting 29.6, 29.6. So this thing, if I ask control X print of control V, I'm getting only 29.69 now. So we need to fill up this value with every null value. See, with every null value, I want to replace with 29.6. So 1 second. Dot to F control X. So what I should want to do is mm, AVG equals to, I want to do this thing, and AVG control V. So what should I have to do in control X? F of control V. So now I'm getting, see, before I'm getting 29.69999 something. So we should do control C, control V. See, we are getting 29.69991111764, all the things. I want to remove all the other things. So I should want to comparatively I want to do 29.70. So with the low value. That's what I need to fill up this thing, and we should make AVG equals to, and now if I ask AVG, yeah, that's perfect. Very perfect. And now I need to fill up with these things, all the null value with this 229.70. So what should I have to do? df dot age equals to uh, df dot age dot fill na fill na of null values we need to fill up with what df dot we can ask avg. So it is fine, I think. So let me check. If I ask df dot each null dot sum, I want to check with the age how many things. Age before 177 null values are there, and now we should remove all the null values with fill upping our average value. So what should I have to do? I should ask the df dot head of 20. We can ask the 20. And now I want to check with the James. James, I want to get with C 29.70. And then where the Charles, the 17 Charles, we should comparatively fill up with 29.70. Right? We are getting. Now, what should I have to do is mm, df dot each null dot see I'm getting in cabin we have so many null values 687 out of 891 we are getting 687 so we don't need this column because these are not understandably predicted in the machine learning so we don't need the text values. If it is like a numerical value, then we can able to fill up. But it's a text value that we don't need this column. I just want to remove this cabin. So what I have to do is df equals to df of see df I'm updating with the new value. So df dot drop. What we have to drop dot drop of columns equals to what we have to drop capital C IN cabin. So I just want to check is this cabin is removed or not. Yeah, cabin is removed. Did you check the cabin is removed? And now I want to ask df dot each null dot sum. I want to check once again. Now see, I just cabin having door like there is no cabin at all. So I just want to check df dot shape. So previously it was 891 rows and 12 columns. And now one column is removed. That's why I'm getting 11. And now finally, we have two rows of embark. So embark, we have two rows. Embark means it will be of SC, SC, SS. These are also text values. But we don't need to remove this column because see, we have only two rows. We just have to remove that two rows. That's enough. That's enough that our data should be clean. df equals to df equals to df of no df dot drop and a that should fine. So if I ask df dot age null dot sum, I'm getting see everywhere the data is very clean, very clean. And now if I ask df dot shape. So, Lakshmi, can you say like what will be the shape I will be getting?
Rows into columns.
Mm. Previously I have 891 comma 11. Now what the answer should I have to come?
89, comma
Uh,
10.
comma
10.
comma 11 11 11. Because we are not removing the column. We are removing just rows.
Okay, sir. But we have
Okay, na?
removed cabin column, right, sir?
Cabin column. Previously it was 8 comma 12, right?
Okay,
Previously.
sir. Okay.
One second, I will show you df dot shape. Yeah, 891 comma 12
Okay, sir.
previously. And now we remove two rows. That's what 889 comma 11,
7.
and one column each got removed. So what should I have to do? The DF is very clean now. We have very clean. So in every company, the company will be providing some raw data of the previous sales report. That's what they want to make the prediction with the machine learning. But what should we have to do? We have to take that raw data and we need to clean the data and we need to refine the data. That's what we have to save and pass to the machine learning engineers. Now, how should we pass? We have a Titanic.csv having some very null values, and we need to make the new CSV. So, what should I have to do? df dot the df is updated now, so we have to make two underscore CSV. So, we want to rewrite the file. Oh, what should I have to write? Titanic underscore cleaned dot CSV. That should we have to make the new file. And now let me check, you have to check on the left panel, the new file should be existed 1 2 3. So we are getting titaniclean.csv having no null values. That should be fine, very perfect, and now we can make the machine learning prediction. So you can able to check, right, Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
So we should have to finally we have to make it two CSV, means we are making a new CSV, and then we have to give a extension dot CSV. And then the yesterday video you recorded, right? I uploaded in the YouTube. So make this video also, send it in the WhatsApp, okay? WhatsApp group. We can make it. This video will be fine in YouTube, and then you can able to check it at any time. So that's it for today class. And what I continuously done these things, right, without like asking any questions to you. That's what it was done very fastly. That's good. And you had to practice for today. And tomorrow I will conduct a exam on this. Uh, Lakshmi and Rup, both of you guys, you have to do it in the live session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? So like
Okay, sir.
done for today class. Send the video. That's it.